प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो ऑन एडमिशन ऑफ ए पार्टनर। इसके 3 सिचुएशंस होते हैं। नंबर 1, if nothing is stated about the new profit sharing ratio of old partners, then they distribute the remaining share in their old ratio, that becomes their new ratio. Number 2, when new partner acquires his share in fraction from old partners, then old partners new share equal to their old share minus sacrificing share. और थर्ड सिचुएशन होता है when old partners forgo a fraction of their share in favor of new partner, then their new share equal to their old share minus sacrificing share, and new partner share equal to sum total of sacrifices of old partners.